Car suspension systems are the unsung heroes of vehicle dynamics, ensuring that your ride remains smooth, stable, and safe during every journey. The primary purpose of any car suspension design is to maximize the friction between the tires and the road surface to provide steering stability. By effectively absorbing bumps and vibrations from the road, car suspension components protect the vehicle frame from excessive wear and damage. Coil springs serve as the foundation of most car suspension setups, compressing and rebounding to support the weight of the vehicle chassis itself. Shock absorbers work alongside springs in a car suspension system to control the rate of oscillation, preventing the car from bouncing endlessly. Engineers typically categorize car suspension into two main groups, which are independent systems and dependent systems, each with unique traits. The McPherson strut is a common car suspension type that integrates a shock absorber and a coil spring into a compact, space-saving unit for cars. Double wishbone car suspension uses two control arms to maintain wheel alignment, offering superior handling precision for high-performance cars. Independent car suspension designs allow each wheel to move vertically without affecting the others, significantly improving ride quality overall. Solid axle car suspension connects the left and right wheels together, making it incredibly durable and ideal for heavy-duty off-road truck usage. Leaf springs are a classic car suspension element often paired with solid axles, providing robust support for vehicles carrying heavy cargo loads. While dependent car suspension is rugged, it often lacks the refined handling and comfort characteristics found in modern independent configurations. Modern air car suspension replaces traditional steel springs with rubber airbags, allowing drivers to adjust ride height and comfort on the fly. Advanced magnetic car suspension utilizes fluid that changes viscosity in milliseconds, reacting instantly to road conditions for perfect control. Multi-link car suspension is a complex independent system that uses several arms to fine-tune wheel geometry for optimal comfort and performance. Car suspension tuning is an intricate balancing act between achieving a comfortable ride quality and maintaining sharp, responsive vehicle control. Regular inspection of your car suspension bushings and joints is vital, as worn components can lead to poor handling and uneven tire wear patterns. Future car suspension technology is moving towards active systems that scan the road ahead and adjust settings before the tires hit the obstacle. Whether you prioritize off-road durability or track-focused precision, choosing the right car suspension setup defines your driving experience. Understanding the intricate mechanics of your car suspension allows you to better appreciate the engineering marvel that makes every drive smooth. Explaining the core mechanics of vehicle suspension systems, comparing independent versus dependent suspension designs, highlighting modern advancements in adaptive ride technology.